In today's video, we are going to go over one of your guys' questions. Thank you to Crut92.0 for commenting. This question is on the topic of linear inequations. So let's get into answering this question. So it appears that figuring out how to plot the solution set of a linear inequation on a number line is the biggest confusion. So let's go through and break down the given solution set. So this means that we need to find all the whole numbers that satisfy this condition, where x is greater than -4 and less than or equal to 2.5. So let's go through and redefine whole numbers. We know that whole numbers start from 0. They increase by 1, right? They increase by whole numbers. So examples would be 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And they do not include negative numbers or decimals. So now that we know what we're looking for, the solutions are whole numbers. Let's go through and analyze our given range. So let's split up the inequalities so it is easier to break down and analyze. The first one we have is that x is greater than -4. So when we analyze this, we see that first off, there is no equal to sign in our inequality here, so it will be excluded. But also we're looking for whole numbers, and whole numbers would not include that -4. So we are excluding the -4. Now we'll get into our second part of the inequality, which says that x is less than or equal to 2.5, meaning that x can be 2.5 or anything less than that. But remember, we are only considering whole numbers, and 2.5 is a decimal, so we would not be including it. So now what we are going to do, now that we have broken down and analyzed the given range, is select our correct values. So the only whole numbers between -4 and 2.5 are 0, 1, and 2. -4 is excluded because it's not a whole number, and 2.5 is excluded, and we ignore it because it is also not a whole number. So our solution set would be 0, 1, and 2. And I will also go through and plot this on the number line for you guys. So the 0, 1, and 2 will be marked with solid dots since they are included. And the -4 and the 2.5 will not be marked because they are not whole numbers. So we will just draw out our number line from -4 to 2.5 and mark 0, 1, and 2 with solid dots since they are the correct values to our solution set. I hope this answered your question, but if you guys have any other questions on any topic, please feel free to comment them down below. I will do a video just like this with your specific question, walking you through how to solve it. So again, please feel free to comment any questions or any other video topics you would like to see down below. Please like this video if you enjoyed this, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.